Hey Crafty peeps, it's Tracy. I know I said I wasn't buying anything, and I didn't, but I was lucky enough to win a D-Stash box from the incredibly talented, amazing crafter, Mindy Eggen, the week before Thanksgiving. And due to how busy the season is, the Postal Service just delivered it to my house today, so I thought we would open it together. I have never in my life won anything like this, so I really don't know what to expect, but let's see what's in it. Oh, wow. There's so much stuff. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, waffle flower, postage collage, Christmas stencil. Oh, so fun. So fun. Okay. Hero Arts. Let's see. Heartburst stencil. That is super cute. What else do we got? Oh, we got a card. I'll open that later. Another stencil from Tailored Expressions. I Pick You. I don't have anything from Tailored Expressions. Spellbinder Stitched High. Oh, I like that. That's going to be super fun. I just ordered some sparkly embroidery floss for my embroidery. If you've seen any of my stories, I started doing embroidery, so spellbinders. Looks like some border dies, maybe some flowers. That's pretty. Ooh, got some greenery here. November 23. That looks like maybe mistletoe or flower. This is super cute. Hello. That's nice. Mindy, this is incredible already. I don't have any of these things in my stash. Oops, this goes in here, which I better do now, otherwise it's all gonna get jumbled together and become a mess. Spellbinder, sweet and savory. Ooh, we got a donut, a pretzel, pizza, maybe some toppings, hot dog bun, hot dog bun, hot dog. That's fun. Oh my gosh. Mindy, it's like you know me. I have such a thing for snowmen. Stamptember from Pink and Maine. Flurries of Love. Those are adorable. Look at those snowmen and little penguins. Oh my gosh. I think I'm gonna ink this up like ASAP. Spellbinders Better Press. Joy to the World. That's gorgeous. Ooh, and Merriest Christmas. Wow. Hero Arts. This says bold flowers. They are very bold. I like those. Pink Fresh geotiles. That's fun. Oh, and it comes with stencils. Oh, very fun. Better Press Miss You. That's nice. Ooh, Gina K. Folk Art Christmas. I have been loving Gina's 12 Days of Christmas, and Mindy is a rock star, posting inspiration every single day. I swear, Mindy Eggen, you do not sleep. I have no idea how you do it. I really like the look of this. Very cute. Hero Arts Heart Tree. Keep your head up and your heart strong. Thank you for being there. That's cute. Oh, and a little die for the tree. That's sweet. Simon Says Stamp Arched Christmas Star. Oh, I've seen this being used recently. That's fun. Hero Arts Chocolate Candy. Oh boy. cling mounted. That's fun. We have my favorite things, itty bitty love. Those are cute little sentiments. You are loved. P.S. I love you most. You're sweet. That's a nice little set. I like the size of that. Also new artist markers. Oh, that's amazing. I think green markers are the ones I use second to most, behind like the red and pink family. Those are nice. Oh, I like that they're all like coordinating together. I don't have any markers from Altenew. I believe these are alcohol markers, if I remember correctly. Yep, it says alcohol based. That's amazing. Mindy, this is incredible. Tailored Expression Sentiment Strip Duo. Fun little die cuts there. Oh, and I bet it goes with these. That's fun. Baby, it's cold outside. I love that. Stay cool. Holly jolly. 'Tis this season. I am going to use this a ton. Thank you. Oh, look at that. In Bloom. Cling and Clear combo. Want to see what's in here. We have this little guy. Oh wow, that's fun. I wonder if this stamps the inside at all. That one looks like it lines up. Yeah, I think it does. And this guy maybe does this flower here. That's fun. And then this does that. And then, oh, that's fun. Neat. Oops. That's a fun one. This is definitely like Christmas morning. My partner and I agreed not to do presents. Well, something small we're getting for each other, but we agreed not to do much at all because we went on an incredible vacation. If you saw any of my Instagram stories, we went to Scotland for a couple weeks and it was incredible. And that was basically our present to ourselves, to each other. Oh, that's cute. A little birthday cake. That's a fun one. More Tailored Expressions, Buds and Blossoms. Stamp and stencil combo. Love stencils lately. I started card making in the early 2000s, and when I got into it, we didn't really have stencils or any of these things that we have now. Alcohol markers were very new, at least in the card making world, and I stopped card making for some personal reasons. My family was ill, I was taking care of my parents, and they both passed away, and I got back into it last year, right before the holidays, and discovered like stencils were a thing and die cutting was huge, and you know, so I'm really having fun rediscovering everything, and it's kind of what I've been missing, that bit of creativity, so it's been a lot of fun for me. This is March Daffodil. That's sweet. I wonder if that's like a kit or something. Easter egg cups. Images smaller than actual size. Interesting. Ooh, wow. Honeybee stamps Hexie Slimline cover plate, top and bottom. Wow. That's neat. Very cool. Cute little notebook. Gina K foam tape. Wow. Ooh, we got bling. Rainbow bling. Love it. Rainbow splash. Some little storage pockets. Very fun. Thank you. Glitter cardstock. Can you ever have enough glitter cardstock? We've got silver. We've got red. We've got white. This looks like regular cardstock. These are great colors. That's a nice bright green. Chocolate brown. This is like a pink, red, and like a cream or beige. Stick It. Adhesive for die cutting. Ken Oliver. I'm not familiar with Stick It. I wonder if this is like Gina K's Masking Magic. That's cool. Picket Fence Studios. I have no idea what this is. Oh, some kind of a dauber with a case. How cool is that? Oh, that's so neat. Wow. Wow, Gina K, a big set. I think she just used this the other day. Delightful Blooms. That is beautiful. I like that. Else, another Gina set. This one has stencils, or not stencils, die cuts. This says Spring in Bloom. I like the postage. Oh, those are crocuses. Very cute. Very nice. I just started buying some Gina. I was drawn in by her channel and some of the inspiration she's been posting. So I've been really enjoying the couple things I bought. Christmas Blessings, Warmest Wishes. That's a very pretty scene. A roll of glimmer foil. Very cool. Spellbinders. Perfect pie sentiments and fillings. That's fun. I have fillings for you. You are the apple of my pie. Very fun. That's cute. Delicious decorations. See that? Flowers. We got some fruit slices there. This pie toppers. Lattice. Oh, the sentiments are really fun. Tailored Expressions embossing folder. Halftone dots. That's fun. Ooh. This is Spellbinders. Looks very Nordic. 3D embossing folder. Very cool. Pink Fresh Floral Focus. I don't think I've ever seen this one before. Ooh, comes with stencils. Very nice. Concord and Ninth. Treetops Turnabout stamp set. Let's see, there's the trunk. And then that makes the tops. Oh, and dies, wow. Little leaves, very fun. Hero Arts Circular Grid. That's a clay mounted stamp. We are scraping the bottom here. What is this? Oh, a new picker tool. How fun. Very fun. Oh, cool. You can replace the end. that's neat. My picker tool actually needs to be replaced, so this is kind of perfect timing. Very cool. And we have Simon Hurley sketched snowmen. So we had snowmen to start out and snowmen to end here. Comes with the dies. Very fun. Well, Mindy, this has been amazing. Absolutely amazing. I can't wait to go through this all again, organize everything, and start using it. Start playing around with everything that was included in this box. You are incredible. I am feeling so lucky, very fortunate. Not a very lucky person, so this is incredible to me. So thank you all and happy holidays.